Welcome to today's episode, guys. I'm Mariam, and today I want to chat about, can narcissists repair the rupture? You see, when we talk about repairing a rupture, what we are saying is naming the specifics, acknowledging the impact, and showing reflection. You see, guys, a narcissistic system doesn't support any of those elements. And the reason for it is the narcissist doesn't have the capacity to repair relational injury. So you're left feeling abandoned. You're left feeling invalidated. You're left feeling that you don't matter, that you're always dismissed. Why? Because the narcissist doesn't have the capacity to name the specifics, to acknowledge the impact, to show reflection. So it's never about you. It's not about worthiness. It's not that you don't deserve it. The system cannot offer it to you because there is no relational capacity. Once you fully understand that the capacity isn't there, you'll find yourself free because you're no longer looking for that external validation, for them to show up to repair the rupture so you can feel validated. You can feel that you matter. You see, guys, a narcissistic system won't give it to you. Stop looking for it. Not because you're bad, not because you're asking for too much, not because you don't deserve it. The capacity is not there. So if they can't repair a rupture, it is because the capacity is not there. They can't support you because it requires differentiation. It requires accountability. It requires not identifying themselves with the wrongdoing or the behavior or the action. So you're not asking for too much. They have reached the limit. The capacity isn't there. So if you're hoping that the narcissist is going to change, that they're just going to reach out to you and saying they're sorry, I want to tell you this. The likelihood of it is that they won't reach out. They may reach out, but they don't have the capacity to repair the rupture. Your job is to go inward and to find peace. You need to sign off your own closure. The narcissist can't do it because the capacity isn't there. Hopefully, you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to honor yourself, to honor your journey, to honor who you truly are. Once again, if you guys are looking for one-on-one coaching sessions, make sure you reach out to me. My email is in the description below. I'm looking forward to journeying with you guys. Also, if you find the content valuable and helpful, please shout me a coffee. The link just popped up, and I appreciate your support, kindness, and generosity. All right, you've got this. Keep shining your own light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.